Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
We will continue today with other hierarchies, guys. What are the other hierarchies? We have all the predefined organizations. We will go ahead and with all the predefined organizations one by one. We created a cost center hierarchy. We can create a company hierarchy. See, guys, when you move out of one country to the another country, that is the reason why you have to establish the organization or the company again. If Alphabet Inc. is in US, it's a public company. Let's say you start your business in India or you start your business in UK. There also you will have to register your company because you will have to become a legal entity in that country also. It could be Apple Inc., Public Limited in US. It will be Apple Inc., Private Limited in UK, Apple Inc., Private Limited in India. That's the reason you need your company hierarchy. That is a part of one entity, which is Alphabet. But it has started at operations in different countries. For that reason, you would need people to follow the local tax laws, labor laws. And for that purpose, you will have to do everything from scratch. The way we are doing it for one company, you will have to do it for all the companies that you are creating. That's the reason why you need company hierarchy. That is, that you have a headquarters and then you have regional centers or regional offices, which is in different part of the globe. If it is in the same region also, let's say you're starting in US but you have that company in Canada, you will have to re-register. You will have to follow the local laws of Canada. You will have to follow if you registered in Mexico. If you start your business in Mexico, you will have to re-register. You will have to do everything again. That's the reason these things become very important. Let's now do it. Alphabet is my reorganization. I have a company named Alphabet Inc. I don't know why it is not moving ahead. We'll start with Alphabet. Alphabet. Public Limited. I'll just put it like that. It will become easy for you. Isan. See, subtype is already defined. I'll not make any changes. I'll put the visibility everyone and click on. I'll do the same thing. What did I did for cost center hierarchy? What did I do? On same click actions, go to reorganization. I'll try to click on that again. I'll go to reorganization. You see, this creates subordinates. Now, let's imagine I have set up a business. I have set up the business of Alphabet Inc. Here why I have put it as public company. Because Alphabet is listed in the stock market of US. It is a public company. But let's say Alphabet is not registered in the stock market of UK. It will be Alphabet UK Private Limited. And then organization board. See, it depends from country to country. We all have to understand that if it has to follow the local laws, you will have to register. Now it could be a private public. That is different, but the concept will remain the same. The names can change, but the concept will remain same. Now under Alphabet Public Limited, you have got a hierarchy. I'll have to search it because it will not come like that. Will you save underscore alphabet? You see company hierarchy, company and company hierarchy. This is my main public. And then you have a subordinate as UK. Now again, if I start another business in India, I'll have another subordinate created, a LLE7 Alphabet India Private Limited. If it starts in Canada, if you're listed in Canada, you can put it like that. Organization name. Organization code. I'll use the same. Again, everything is almost the same. I don't have anything more to add here. And I'll submit it. My best practice is always company. You know what Workplace suggests is to use company. But let's say your company or where you're working, they may have a different name. They will tell you that don't use it. Use this option. And then we created company cost center. Let's create location hierarchy. Create location hierarchy. The name is very simple. The task is very simple. Let's see. Let me click on first. This is my location hierarchy. Don't forget again, we have something in San Francisco. I'm just putting it like that. We are able to remember it. Ideally, location should be here. It is not there now. We see geographic division or region. We will choose division because it is not a region for us. It's just a division. But ideally, you should see location as one of the other option which has been removed. But in your standard tenants, you should see it. And then everyone, and I'll go ahead and click on. Under San Francisco, let's say this is my headquarters. Whatever new location I'm going to create, it will be under this hierarchy. But to create, to register your office, you would not directly go ahead and create a hierarchy. You will have to create independent organization. What does that mean? Let's say I started my organization. I started my company in the US, but I started my operations in London now. For that purpose, I will have to first register location independently because I need to put the address and all the details. Then I can put that under hierarchy. I will let you know. I'm just creating one now under San Francisco. Let's say I'm creating a LLE7. Now you will understand this in a better way when you create supervisory organization. There is the use of location. Now it might confuse you. Don't get confused. Just try to practice what we are doing it now. Now, when you search your location hierarchy, which is LLE7 underscore San Francisco, you see the location hierarchy. Now again, if you go into the chart, you will see the org chart, but you also might see something more. What is that? Let me first go there and see if I can go there. I'm able to. This tenant does not have any positions linked. What happens is when you have any positions linked with San Francisco or London, it will automatically be linked with it. In this tenant, we are good that there is no positions linked. You have San Francisco and you have London available. What I'm trying to say here is I have location San Francisco. Below that I have created a location London which is reporting to San Francisco, which means it is under hierarchy. Let's say in this tenant, if there were positions created, let's say I am going to hire somebody in San Francisco. Let's say I'm hiring 2 Workday consultants. When you have to create those positions, you will have to give the location. If you have put San Francisco as a location, you will see those positions getting linked with this. That's what I'm trying to explain. We created location hierarchy. Now I will go to the region hierarchy. It also has a very similar task. Create region hierarchy. All, then we have the lead. See, as it is very repetitive task, but if you don't practice, you will not be able to learn it. Always remember we have to practice. That's the key to learn working. There you go. Here, I'll try something else. I'll put like a global region and then below that I'll put a hierarchy. I'll show it to you. How does that work? You see, I got 2 options, region and top. But we will see this as a region, that is, as a best practice. And then I'll put the visibility everyone. I'll click on. Now I have global. That is my region. And now I can create as many subordinates as I want. The task is same. Go into this section. Go to reorganization. Create subordinates. If you know one thing very easily, very nicely, you will not face a challenge in creating the other thing, provided you remember the steps. Let's say EMR because majority of my companies that I have created is in EMR region. And then submit. Just as process successfully completed, what I'll do and search it. This is my global regional hierarchy. Now under EMR, I see one of the location as London. I can go ahead and create another one as EMR. Now, if I go into the chart, I will be able to see the complete structure. You see, this is my global region. I have denoted that way an EMR. And then I have EMR, and if I have any other location in, let's say in Singapore, that comes as APAC. When we go into a supervisory organization, there you will be able to link everything. All these predefined organizations will be linked there. Still under all chart, you will not be able to see everything, but you will have this kind of boxes which will give you an idea at least. We have completed predefined organizations. What did we learn in that? How is predefined used in the system? What is the difference between types of type, location, company, cost, center, region? We have completed it. Then what is location? Why is very important? Then what is the use of reorganization? Then we studied individual predefined organization, which is company, cost, center, region. And of course, the location part, we also created the hierarchies. See, this is a kind of a regional hierarchy global. Here EMR, AR, and AP. And there is one more thing which I wanted to explain it to you. Let me do that. We created a region as a pack. Now, if I want to bring that under a hierarchy, or location under a hierarchy, or individual cost and center under a hierarchy, I can do that also. How we will do that? I will go into global. But what will happen? I'll show it to you. I'll go into this section. I'll go to actions. And I'll go to reorganization again. See this option? It says assign superior. If I want to assign somebody on top of global, I can do that. If you want that, this should be your hierarchy. Or let's say, I want something below this. I can go ahead and add the same thing here also. I can go ahead and click on actions. Again, I will do the same thing. I can assign superior here. APC might be at the upper level. Below global APC and then below Apex, you see, globals is what is current superior. I want to remove it. And let's say I want to add APSC. I'm not getting that option. Basically, I don't have that permission. I may go to Bobble and there I can make those changes. That may be a possibility. Let me try that. You see, I can do it. I'm pretty much sure. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I'm still not getting it. No worry. But this is how you do it. In a real time also, you can do it. That was a trick which I wanted to explain it to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.